Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, remote engine start, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.